What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're gonna get a close-up look at all 4 different variations of the Mclaren Senna by Hot Wheels, and you'll be surprised of the amount of differences between the initial release and the most current Hot Wheels ID variation. Before we look at the main lines, let's go ahead and unbox the Hot Wheels ID variation of the Mclaren Senna. And here is our first look at the Mclaren Senna by Hot Wheels ID. And as you can see, the paint job on all of the Hot Wheels ID cars is this gorgeous looking Spectra Flame paint job. So it's a very shiny, very glossy looking paint job. It almost looks sparkly, but it's not. It's just a really, really nice looking paint job on there. And we can see the front headlights, some nice detail on there. We'll talk about more of that later. And on the side, you can see those wheels and tires. You can see the kind of tire lettering and tire writing on there, that color around there, as well as these wheels just look fantastic. It's a gorgeous looking car. You guys know how much I love McLarens, and I love the Mclaren Senna. And now, having a look at all 4 releases right here, let's go ahead and look at our first one. And our first one, it's kind of like a bluish gray color, and it looks very, very nice. And the biggest complaint that we had of the release of the Senna was, check out that, the front headlights, they're just very flat, and there's no detail, no painting, no tamper work or anything like that. I mean, from the side it looks good, from the back it looks good. They did a good job on the taillights and everything, but just very disappointing with those front headlights with no detail on there. So we'll put that down. And then we got our next release, which was the orange release, and I like this one better than the first one. I just really like this orange, Mclaren Orange, very popular color. And you can see as well, again, front headlights, not a lot of detail, not stamped properly, just kind of disappointing. The wheels on this one look good though too. I like the color and the wheels and all that. And then we move on to our newest release, and this one is in the main lines, and I got this one in a 10 pack, but it is coming in the 2020 M case. But as you can see, the detail on the front headlights, it's now cut in a lot more. So we'll grab our initial release, and you can see our initial release, it's kind of flat. And if we look at the newer one, you can see they've retooled it and they've recut it in. So it actually does look quite a bit better. I know it's not stamped or tampoed or anything like that, but it's definitely a lot better looking with that new cut. And you can see white car, black wheels, fantastic. I absolutely love the white with black look on there. This one looks really, really good. Then we get to our Hot Wheels ID variation, and this is the one, they fixed it. They fixed everything, and it's more of a premium car. It's a little bit more expensive, so they're definitely going to improve it. And as you can see, they've cut the front properly, and they've stamped the headlights on there, which is really the look that kind of finishes off the car. So when you look at this one, it just looks fantastic, so good. So we'll grab our initial release, we'll grab our retooled release, and then we will grab the stamped retooled variation. So you can see the differences. Very flat, retooled a little bit nicer, retooled and stamped, so the proper look. So those are the 3 different variations. It's surprising that we've had this casting only around since last year, and we already have 3 different variations of this casting, which is fantastic. So it's soon to see. Hopefully we can get a premium look of this one, so maybe with the Real Rider tires, the metal base on there, that would be really, really cool. But other than that, you guys know I love the Mclaren Senna. I want you guys to comment down below, what are your thoughts on the different variations and retooling of the Mclaren Senna? And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye.